Hello to all of you! Today we are diving into a powerful feature of Excel, pivot tables. If you analyze sales data, tracking expenses, or summarizing large data sets, pivot tables can help you make sense of your data quickly and efficiently. A pivot table is a data summarization tool found in data visualization programs such as Microsoft Excel. It allows you to automatically sort, count, total, or average data stored in one table and display the results in a new table, or pivot table showing the summarized data. Let's create a pivot table step by step. First, select the range of data you want to use. Click and drag to highlight your data range, or simply click anywhere in your data table. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click on the pivot table. A dialog box will appear. Make sure the selected range is correct and choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. For now, let's place it in a new worksheet. Now you will see the pivot table field list on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where you can customize your pivot table. Drag and drop fields from your data into the four areas: filters, columns, rows, and values. For example, let's analyze sales data. Drag region to rows, items sold to columns, and sales to values. You can customize your pivot table to better suit your needs. By default, the values will be summarized by sum. You can change this by clicking on the drop-down arrow next to sum in the values area. Choose other options like count, average, max, or minimum. You can also apply filters to focus on specific data. Drag the quarter field to the filters area. Now you can filter the data by quarter. Pivot tables are versatile. Let's make them more insightful. Format your pivot table for better readability. Click on the pivot table, go to the design, and choose a style. You can also visualize your data by adding a pivot chart. Go to the Analyze tab and click Pivot Chart. Choose the chart type that best represents your data. And that's it! You've created a pivot table and learned how to customize and enhance it. With pivot tables, you can quickly analyze and make sense of large data sets, making your data work for you. Practice these steps with your own data and see how pivot tables can simplify your data analysis tasks. Happy Excelling! Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye-bye!